Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this one I'm showing you how to move your Steam games to another drive without re-downloading. So let me just choose some kind of game, something light, say this one is only 400 megabytes, and I'll just go ahead and install mine to Flitza, which is the D drive install. Just give it a second guys, should not take much time at all. God bless the fiber as they say. There you go. Go back to a library. Then you go right click on the game, then you go properties, installed files, and here you need to, as you can see, under move this game's content, you just choose move install folder. In here choose any other drive you want, in my case I'll choose Schnell, and move. As you can see it takes only a fraction of a second and the game is moved. And as you can see now these 488 megabytes of storage taken for this game is now moved to the disk S. That's it. That's all you want to do, guys. Enjoy. If this was helpful, as always, subscribe, guys.